Welcome to Skillheader Mega Project regarding Master Business Accounting Part 3. If you have not watched earlier parts, please click on the I button above or the link in the description. In this video, we are going to start the backbone of a business accounting system, helping stay organized and understand financial health. You are right. The chart of accounts is like a map of your finances in your business. You will learn how to build forms regarding the chart of accounts with primary types and groups. Please watch this video until the end because we will build a modern confirmation message displayed as a pop-up after every record submitted in this accounting project. Please access the complete playlist of the project and bookmark it. Blog posts and source code will be updated and notified in the description section of all videos. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the upcoming videos of this series. Like, share, and comment. Let's get started.
Logging on with the admin credentials. In the main dashboard preferences section, we have created user management in the previous video, but there is a lot more to do with it. Here is the main focus of this video. The accounts section. Create the first table regarding the main chart of accounts to handle the primary type with the grouping level of the accounts. Account ID, number, name, group, description, and type are the fields of the table. The second table is the whole business terminologies to deal with. This table contains ID, number, date, name, description, opening balance, and the current balance. In other words, the first table can be called the parent and the second one is the child. The relationship between tables will also be on this principle as well. We have to create an associated ID before getting into the relationship. It is important to understand that the chart of accounts will vary based on the nature of the business and its transactions. However, the main types of the chart of accounts will remain same, which are the assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Enter the primary accounts with groups for the built-in accounts that need any business. The account numbers are the unique identifier of the accounts representing separate serials. Assets are things you own that have value, like cash, property, or equipment. Liabilities are debts or obligations you owe, such as loans or bills you haven't paid yet. Equity represents the value of what you own after subtracting what you owe. It's like the net worth of your business or personal finances. Revenue includes money you earn from selling goods or services, like sales revenue or fees. Expenses are the costs you incur to run your business or manage your personal finances, like rent, salaries, or utilities. Under the assets, the most common group of accounts are cash in hand, petty cash, inventory, receivable, and others. The liabilities are the debts, so payable, and salaries of the employees are considered. Equity is the amount of money that a company's owner has put into it or owns. In other words, the calculation of equity is a company's total assets minus its total liabilities. Let's include fixed assets as well under the assets. We will include the revenue or income account when concluding sales. Expenses are many types in a business. Here we will include some most commonly used expenses like utility bills and sales expenses. Let's create a form based on the table of chart of accounts. This will be our main accounts form. Good, the chart of accounts form is associated with the main dashboard form. We will update the form with many other features. The expanded view is looking awesome. We need to add 3 buttons related to Add Account Group, Add Sub-Account, and Account Summary. As you know, the unique name of every object in MS Access is very important so the application can run smoothly without any conflict. Next, you need to create a new form for adding a new account. This form will include a list of primary accounts that allows the admin to select one out of the 5 types of the chart of accounts. Upon selection, the account number should automatically update by adding 1 to the maximum value of the relevant account type. create the account group name and the description text boxes as well. The idea behind copying the list box is to show the list of relevant group accounts to avoid duplicate names. This query will be based on the criteria of primary account ID. Okay, I have a better idea to reflect the existing group account, so remove the playlist for now. Add 2 buttons with only icons related to account existence. Give proper names to the text boxes related to the accounts group and accounts description. Let's complete the close button task first. Copy the Submit button from the previous form for the same button theme. So far, so good. Now, make the Add Accounts button functional to open the form in the dialog mode. Next, use the On-Click event of the list box so the new account number can be updated in the text box. For the addition in the max value, we will use the dmax here. It is not updating the account number. I am working in almost a live environment to build the project, so such things are expected, and you also might get the same. By the way, in coding, problems will give you the power to solve complex things in the future. After making corrections, let's see if it works. Good. Now make the addition of 1 so the new account number can be updated while inserting data into the table. To check the existing account name, move on to the After Update event code. you should hide both the buttons by default. Both the buttons should be hidden while focusing on the text box. Great work, it is working as expected. Next, make the Submit button functional. First, mandatory fields must be checked to avoid null value errors. Next is to check if the button containing the cross sign is unhid, so the existing account error message can be reflected. the account status other than the built-in account will remain null for the time being. The confirmation message will be replaced with a modern pop-up-like message which is on the way in this video. As you can see, the record has been inserted into the table, but the main form is not refreshing the data. I think the code to refresh the main form should be modified a bit. There is no need to include the navigation button reference. That is very good. Let's jump into an innovative work related to a pop-up alert with a customizable message. We will use it in the whole project wherever needed to alert the user with a successful submission of the data. Create a form, apply the background color, and create a box. Never mind, I had to speed up the video because the suitable color combination took a lot of time. Sometimes, when I am tired of doing work all the time, I play a little with such things. Okay, back to work. We need an icon here, something like this one. Give these boxes names and copy them until 20. Here is a trick for you. Just copy and paste the first box, place it where you want, and only use paste for the next several objects. This method will save your time to place the object exactly where you want. Name these all boxed in an order like this. The time interval event is in milliseconds, where 1000 will be 1 second. Now, start the on timer event coding to make this alert alive. A text box will be used to count the numbers. With the addition of each number, a box will appear, and so on. Point to be noted, total box count is 20, but the alert should be intact for some time after displaying all the boxes. To overcome this, we will use a total count number of 50. Okay, the count is working but the boxes are not. Let's make some changes by hiding all the boxes. Great, it is working fine. Let's make it more useful by adding an icon and text. Fine, but it should be like a pop-up alert. Let's make it possible. The text box in this scenario is not a good idea, so change it to a label so the caption can be changed concerning the action performed. That is awesome working. Why I am not satisfied with the color combination, I don't know, but I think I don't like the previous one. That looks fine and attractive. You can have your color scheme. Please comment me in the comment box if you have any better ideas, because you have an idea and framework on how to do this. Let's make the color of the built-in accounts different from others with the use of conditional formatting. Every video in this series is important. We are gradually moving towards our goal of mastering business accounting. If you have found skill header videos one of the best ways to empower your capabilities, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.